Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are doing good. Today's our topic is going to be s- resonance. So most objects have a resonant frequency or a frequency at which an object naturally wants to vibrate, as well as in them. Guitars, strings, a guitar string, for example, when it is plugged, will vibrate at its resonant frequency. If you were to play the resonant frequency with a speaker near the guitar string, it would start to vibrate and increase in amplitude with me. This time. So taking acknowledgements, we guess them it vibrates. If you were to play the resonant frequency with a speaker near the guitar string, it would start to vibrate and increase in amplitude with me. The time this same phenomena occurs with other objects as well. These are the things it can cause unwanted rattles and buzzing with surrounding objects. Our blog covers these blocking as well as. So when designing an enclosure, you need to ensure that the closure itself does not have a natural resonant frequency in the same range as the expected audio output, or the speaker itself will have both non-linear output and unwanted harmonics. At the same time, controlling the resonance of a box or widening the resonance range, it is sometimes sought after depending on the applications as well as. So the design of speakers and microphone is an interesting balance of part that need to remain still, need to flex, and to need to remain rigid while moving as well. But also needs to be as rigid as possible so it cannot move without deformations. The most common materials used with CUI devices speakers are paper and mylar. They are both extremely light and stiff, but mylar being a type of plastic, it is also resistant to moisture and humidity as well as. This should be strong to withstand extreme movement without breaking, while also being as pliable as possible to not interfere with the movement of cone as well as. So it is possible for the movements of the cones in them simply the trade of insensitive frequency range, robustness, and SPL ranges. Also true with microphone materials. Microphones can be simple electric or MEMS electrophones with the sufficient yet limited frequency and sensitive, but with durability, small size, and low power requirements on the opposite end of the spectrum. As a trade-off, they are so fragile that they cannot be used for many percussive instruments. Now, they should be carried without a cancer on them. They let the diaphragm tears. The CUI devices does offer both electric condenser and MEMS microphone options with wide operating frequencies that span the entire audio frequency range from 20 to 20,000 Hz. The trades of requires for these, in addition to the cost of different material, varies for different audio ranges. Lower range speakers do not need to worry about the cone's weight. So this type of material used for an enclosure will also affect the resonance and the descriptions of absorption as well as.